Thanks a lot, Pim. Yes, today's jobs report really throwing a lot of cold water on all these thoughts that the economic recovery was moving along quite well. And many speculate it may cause the Federal Reserve to continue its policy of this monetary stimulus that we've been having here for quite some time now. The major averages this week, take a look at how they performed. It was pretty much a down week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average losing 1.8%, the S&P down 1.8% as well, and the NASDAQ losing over 2%. And if you take a look at it was a down week, but the major averages year to date still performing quite well. The Dow still up 8% for the year, the S&P up 13%, and the NASDAQ still holding pretty strong year to date, up almost 30%. So this week, the big question that kept coming back into play is, was the economic recovery and is the economic recovery stalling out? And with that concern coming into play, it was kind of interesting to see what part of the market actually performed well. And as you would expect, consumer staples were the only winners of the 10 economic groups in the S&P 500. That kind of makes sense. If the economy may not be recovering as quickly, a lot of money going back into some of the defensive type stocks like food stocks. Also, Pepsi making a very big splash in Friday's session. This was after Deutsche Bank raising its price target for the maker of snack foods to $70 from $66. They also increased their 2010 earnings estimates based on lower interest expenses. On the other hand, as you might expect, the biggest drag this week in the market were industrial shares. And of course, this on concern about the economy that we may not be recovering as quickly as we thought. We also got a disappointing report, that gauge of manufacturing, the ISM manufacturing report, along with today's report about the nation losing 263,000 jobs in September. Financials also lower on the day amid speculation that Friday's jobless data will prevent the Federal Reserve from raising interest rates anytime soon. And some signs of life for some technology stocks, though. Apple gaining on the day, UBS upgrading the maker of the iPhone to a buy from a neutral. Apple, Intel, and IBM all seeing some gains there. That's it from here at the New York Stock Exchange. Pim, now back to you in the studio.